Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. We are together again with another SUI event that might end up with an airdrop in the future. If you have watched our aptos and SUI network tutorials by now, you should be familiar with the Blue Move NFT platform. Yet if you didn't, you can stop this video now and watch our aptos and SUI network tutorials from the card in the top right corner. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter, Instagram, Telegram and TikTok channels to keep up with our latest videos and the upcoming events. Now, let's get started. As you know, Aptos recently made an airdrop for those who used their testnet and mint NFTs. Those who watched our videos have already made more than $1,000. And this time we are here with another chance to make profits from nothing. First, you must click on this raindrop icon to change the platform to the SUI network. Then open a SUI wallet, connect it to the Blue Move platform, and click on this faucet button to have testnet tokens in your wallet. Usually you need to click on this profile icon, then click on this My Profile button, and verify your wallet from Discord and Twitter accounts. But the SUI network is not working yet. For that reason, you don't have to do anything in this section. Considering now that you are eligible, you can participate in the upcoming testnet events. Now let's find out how to participate in these NFT minting events. Here there is a launchpad button with two options. Click on the launches to see the current and upcoming projects. For example, the Puke to Earn NFT sale will start tomorrow and all you must do is to click on this button and pay 10,000 SUI tokens for this transaction when the deadline is over. Here it says not started yet, but it will be active in 21 hours and you can click on it to mint your free NFT. Soon we will share more airdrop events with you, and to keep up with it, you can subscribe to our channels and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.